This meditation will make your specific person love you so obsessively that you never have to question your worth again. You will receive endless attention, affection, and praise from them without even asking. And they will rearrange their entire life for you. Listen whenever you are feeling upset or sad. It works instantly. And make sure to right click and click loop so you can listen to this overnight. You will experience a fairy tale level love in real life after this. Now let's begin. I am their addiction. They look at me with lovey-dovey eyes. They crave me because they love everything about me. They hunger for my taste. I am their favorite flavor. I brighten up their day. I am the only person they see. I am the only person they talk to. We have an exclusive relationship. They cry about how they love me so much. They cried at our wedding. I mean the world to them. They say that I am theirs. They only see themselves with me for the rest of their life. They are so obsessed with me. It freaks them out in a good way. They have instant love feelings for me. They are so wildly attracted to me and it drives them insane. I feel the void in their heart. They are thirsty for me now. They are infatuated with me now. They are missing me like crazy now. They are clingy with me now. They are obsessed. They are obsessed texting me now. They are desperate for my attention now. They are already mine. They are crazy for me. I know that they get jealous easily of other people talking to me now. I know they love me more than life itself. I know that I am all they desire. I know that I am the perfect partner for them. I know that their heart is happier with me in it. I know that I am stuck in their mind. I know that their life gravitates around me. I already have my desired reality. They miss me so much. They long for me now. They yearn for me now. They regret my absence. They feel nostalgic without me now. They miss my smile now. They need to see me now. They are impatient to see me now. They feel sad without me now. I cross their mind daily. They wonder when they can see me again. They ask me when they can see me again. They are unhappy without me now. They would like to be with me again now. They have been thinking about me now. They are incomplete without me now. They wish that I was here with them now. My picture makes them smile now. They miss me so much that it hurts them now. They are counting down the days when they see me again. They make up scenarios and stories about me every day. They hope they see me again. They are impatient to talk to me now. All they do is think about me now. They miss my laugh now. They think of me day and night now. I occupy their thoughts now. They let me in their thoughts now. Their life is meaningless without me now. Nothing feels the same for them when I am away now. They are bored without me now. They are dying to see me now. My absence is killing them now. They miss me all the way to the moon and back. They smile when they think of a time we spent together now. They are desperately missing me now. They miss waking up next to me now. My absence has left a void in their life now. They feel empty without me now. Every part of them aches for my presence now. Their heart is crying for me now. Time stops moving for them when I am away. Missing me is their hobby. They miss me so badly. They miss me so terribly. They envy the people who get to see me every day now. They miss everything about me now. They miss me more than words can say now. I am crucial to their existence now. Days feel like years for them when I am away. They miss me only when they are breathing now. Missing me is their heart's way of reminding them that they love me now. I deserve all their love now. I am open to receive all of their love now. They are willing to give me all of their love now. They are ready to dedicate themselves to me now. They choose to devote themselves to me now. They choose to be in a healthy and loving relationship with me now. They choose to be engaged to me now. They promise to love me forever now. They are ready to compromise for me now. They are willing to be a better person for me now. They feel more whole with me now. I own their heart. They commit to me 100% now. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. To affirm, write in the comments, they rearranged their life for me. The more you listen to this, the more they will feel this intense, passionate, all-consuming love for you and come running back. And if you need more help making someone come back to you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. My clients are getting their special person back extremely fast. Subscribe if you enjoy these meditations and click the next one to continue on with your love journey. I will see you in the next meditation, and until next time, have a wonderful day.